Hello guys, down show out is ContentStudio for the social media automation, but don't forget to subscribe for more ContentStudio tutorials so you can do ContentStudio account and select for example this YouTube channel and click on reconnect. So let's try to connect our YouTube channel and then post some content to it. Now I've just head over to the ContentStudio space and click on compose post. So you can choose your YouTube channel here and add the description and add your media for this YouTube channel, for example this image or video, and choose the video title, my video title, and choose the category, comedy for example, public, etc. So you can schedule this to add to the YouTube automation here. Click on continue, and this way we just schedule it post, and you can do this for numerous posts, and that way you can start social media automation with ContentStudio. And this is pretty much it guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment.